Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review these two palettes. They are two eyeshadow palettes. They both are from Nykaa. And before starting anything, I just want you guys to have a look at them and how compact, sleek they are. And I'm gonna let you decide yourself whether they are apt for your makeup vanity or not. And for those people who are just here to see the swatches, I'm not gonna disappoint you. You can directly jump into this timestamp and you can see the swatches. And for those who want to listen and know everything about it, then keep on watching. Talking about the price, they retail for rupees 599 each, and I got this one. This was my first ever palette from Nykaa, and I got this one for rupees 599, almost 600. And later on I saw that Nykaa was running a sale, and hence I got this one for rupees 449. So yeah, that's that about the pricing. And talking about the shade range, they have 5 palettes with them, and I have 2 of them. This one is called Smoky at 8, and this one is called Daydreaming, and you can choose any of them according to your preference. And yeah, you can create a lot of looks with them. They are really versatile, and they're really beginner friendly. Like if you're just starting out with the makeup, then this is something that you should have with you. If you notice, I bought them a long while ago, so it is totally used and abused, and I think that I'm in the right position to give you guys my opinion about these things and let you guys know what I actually think about them. And yeah, so I will talk about them one by one. Let me talk about the Smoky at 8 palette first, and then I'll come to this. You will know the reason why. Alright, so I really love how this palette works. And this is the Smoky 8 palette, Smoky at 8 palette. So you get all the shades to kind of create a smoky eye. If you look at this palette, this is the mixture of browns and nudes, and one black is also given here, and all the glittery shades. They are not glitters actually, they are foil pigments, and they are supremely pigmented. This is really good if you are if you just want to have one palette to create a daytime look as well as a nighttime look. So you can easily create a smoky eye look with it and a full glam party look with it. So I use these 2 brown shades to kind of contour my cheeks sometimes. And also these foil pigments are so buttery. You don't have to work really hard to blend it out or in your crease and in your lids. If I had to summarize this palette in one word, I would say it's very beginner friendly. Like the colors are very easy to blend, they are really easy to build up, and they're really affordable as well. So and if you are particularly into smoky eyes, then you must have this palette with you. Okay, so coming back to the other palette that I kept aside, there's a reason I kept this aside for. Because whatever I said for that palette doesn't necessarily apply to this, because low-key I feel that this is a little chalky, and yeah, they have nice color selections and all of them are nicely pigmented also, but there's something I don't like about this palette. I don't know what that is correctly, but the glitters are also not so impressive. And the biggest downside of this palette is that they all have a pink undertone. So I have used it quite a bit, that's why I'm saying this, and people who have used this would relate to me, I think. So they have pink undertones, all of them. And whenever you are building your eyeshadow, you apply the light color on your crease, then you slowly move on to the darker shades and apply it to the outer V. And so both the colors, like the lighter shades and the darker ones, they both merge into each other in a very weird way. So you don't get a beautiful transition. So that's something I don't like about it. Otherwise, they are really a nice thing to have in your vanity, and they're really easy to work with. The colors are pigmented. They don't give you a lot of fallout. What else you want? So if you ask me personally, like if you ask for my suggestion, I would suggest you that if you have to buy only one palette out of this whole range, then I would recommend you this Smoky at 8 palette all the time, because this is one of the best palettes I have ever used. Alright, so now let's see the most awaited thing, which are the swatches. So yes everybody, that's all for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Also, if this piece of content was helpful to you, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.